Hello and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. Some days things happen. This was one of those days. I do really try not to get things, but once in a while things happen. For example, today was one of those days because here we have, yes, a Commodore 64. Imagine that. And what's it got on here? It has some sort of little writing. I think it says Jack. I think. Anyway, also, it has its serial number and... Oh, it's funny, it doesn't... Oh yeah, made in USA. Made in USA. And it's... Just looking at it in the light. It does look a little yellow. Oh, the LED is kind of pushed in a bit. But the main thing is, of course, is... Does it work? And the answer is... I don't know. It is one of those things that's like an untested. A lot of people, I don't know why, a lot of people seem to be putting things online that they're not really something they're into, and maybe they got them from a friend or somebody who has perished or something or other. What's going on here? Okay, so here we go. Here's the big test. We will apply power. We see a little flash. Na. And we see nothing else. That is not not unexpected. I'd rather it didn't, but anyway, let's turn it on with the cartridge, the 64 test cartridge in it. Let's see if we see anything on the screen. And in fact, we see nothing. Okay, so we have a dead one. But you know, I know the fuse is good. That's why it's good to look like just, oh yeah, the light comes on. Well, good, the light comes on. But when you have it hooked up to one of these monitors, there are things that you can glean off the little bits that you see, even if it's not working. There are okay. Let's see here. Look carefully. Convince the screws to come out. And then we'll pull off the top and have a little look-see. Alright. Yanking off the keyboard. Oh, this will be a project, to be sure. Because as I look at it, I see that... most everything, but not everything, but most of everything is not in a socket. It is not. It looks like maybe there's a couple of RAM chips that have been socketed. And one of the ROMs, but everything else, except of course for the video chip, but I'm not going to take that all off there, is in a socket. Now I thought I had some glasses here. Maybe I took them all downstairs. I'm not sure. I can't see if these are RAM chips. I think they are. There are two of them, but they may not be. Because I think... oh, I don't know. Anyway. So, another one that will undoubtedly require surgery. So perhaps I will set that up there. I should write a note, etc. But I won't do that at this moment. Because, anyway, I'll probably end up taking it downstairs the first thing I will do, I suppose, if I can, is, check and change. Well, I'll do the video chip, and because, it would be horrible to go start unsoldering things when it's a soldered thing. So, well, the first thing I usually do if something has some chips that are socketed and some that are soldered is, just by routine, I'll check the ones that are in the sockets first. Why? Because it's easy. I can do that. These other ones, I'll have to look at and see what they really are, and then see if I can find some others to just pop in, because once again, it's easy. And then they go from there. Of course, the main culprit is often the PLA chip. Now, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, look, there's a Commodore 64C. It's maybe a little discolored and dirty. Well, dirty is normal. I will look and see. Oh, okay. This definitely has a small board in it. How do I know this? Because I don't see any sign of any board peeking out from here. Also, it's been opened before. The warranty sticker is here. It says warranty seal. And it's there. But it's not in place. It is not. So, just a moment. Hello, Andrew. I'm just recording. I will be down in a few moments. All right. Now, does this one work? I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. No. Where? I think this is the power supply cord that I seek. I think. So, let's just see. The monitor is on. The power switch is off. Just a moment, Mr. Andrew. We're just going to have a big testing moment of turning on this computer. Why do I think you have something? What's this? Oh, what's that from? Was it pizza lunch day or something? Oh, I've not heard of this before. Thank you. Okay, just give me a couple minutes. I'll be down. All right, so I'm going to flip power switch. Yep.
Did you put chocolate milk in the fridge?
Oh. There are ways to deal with this. Okay, now I will flip the power switch. We see a little flash over there. Shazam! That is an encouraging sign. So, we'll take the cartridge, put it in there, and grab the diagnostic harness. And we'll plug into the cartridge port. And the serial port. And the joystick ports. One. It's okay. I'm all right. And then the cassette port. Plug everything in, and then I'll move all of this forward a bit so we can stick this machine in front of this other 64 that was being tested. Jamming it up quite with the power supplies. And then we'll turn it on. We shall. And we'll see what we see, and we'll hear what we hear. And I think I hear Penny in the distance. I think I do. So it runs through its varying testing, and so far it's come up with nothing bad. And here comes the big one. So good. The SID chip is good. Life is good. It's good. It's all good. Anyway, so another Commodore 64. I think what I will do is I will shut things down here. I will go see Mr. Andrew, and I'll leave this to test and see how it is, and then I will ponder this other 64 here. I shall. I shall indeed. So thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for coming. It is most appreciated. And we'll see you again soon.
That was easy.
Bye for now.